And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hello, my God community. It's so good to see you today. Let's go ahead and kick off the Sea Lion Splash with a recap of Peace Week.
Do we think it's impossible or possible? Possible! All right, here we go. We'll go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Peace Week was a tremendous success. From the inspirational stories shared by Mr. Poppen to all the cool events that we did during lunch. But the big event that I'm really excited about was Come Walk in Our Shoes. I just want to say thank you so much to all the teachers, especially Ms. Duncan, that helped to organize this. All the parent volunteers, thank you so much. We couldn't have done this without you. And all the students that showed up ready to learn and share a perspective so that they can get to know what it's like to be neurodiverse. I really loved our entire event, and I can't wait for next year. Do you have a special talent, McGaw community, that you'd like to share with everyone else? Well, now is your time to shine. That's right, McGaw Idol is back! If you want to do a dance routine, sing a song, do some magic, maybe share a few jokes, or even do something totally unexpected, well, you can sign up for McGaw Idol starting today. All permission slips are due by October 5th, so it's important you talk to your parent and get your groups together right away. Here's a few details that you need to know. The first thing is you need parent permission because auditions take place after school. The second thing you need to know is you can have either a solo or even a group act with up to 6 members. The last thing is there are 2 steps to signing up. The first is you got to get a parent permission slip. That's obvious. The second thing you need to do is have a parent go ahead and scan the QR code and make sure that all the details about your performance are listed. After that, it's about making it to the auditions, doing the dress rehearsal, and then showing up for the big show. I can't wait to see you perform in front of our entire community. In my final announcement, I just want to make sure that you know that Tuesday of this week is Picture Day. So make sure you're wearing your very best and you are showing up ready to show those pearly whites and take a fantastic picture for your parents to love. Remember, Tuesday's Picture Day. There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.